We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as you can see, based on daily chart, we have been within this correction. And this is what we get. Now, the thing is, we're looking for continuation, and with the breakout of this top, that's mean with the breakout of this correction, the next target we can look for as a long term, we can look for 16.2 following by 20.1. By the way, we don't see any trade setup based on daily chart. The only thing is if the price could break 13.1 or 13.2, then the next target we can look for is 16.2 following by 20.1. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it, but we should know that. And as long as the price haven't break the previous top, any trade within this range from now, we need to be really careful because the breakout of the previous top is really important for us. Anyway, we move to forward chart. And as we can see, the base on forward chart, we get one move up with the breakout of this correction. We have nothing else to discuss. If we want to look for continuation, we have to wait for the correction because this is the only way we can look for the trades. All right. Anyway, the best things is we discuss based on 1 hour chart. Based on 1 hour chart, we have been within this kind of the channel in relative to the first, and we get the third. All right, we see the breakout of this. And if you put this top in relative to the previous one, and if you refer to the indicators, we see we had the divergence and as well here. That's why right now for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this one. Right now, they should know how to manage it or to lose move their stop loss to break even. And if anyone wants to look for buy, all right now we have to wait. Simply, we cannot look for buy because what I see here, it doesn't give us any opportunity for buy. We have to wait for the deeper correction. Then from there, we can look for the next trade. Any trade from now, if I move to daily chart, if you put our line here, which is somewhere around 13.16, this is the exact value, which is we need to see the breakout of the stop, right? And if I move to 1 hour chart from now, if we want to look for buy, as long as the price haven't break the previous top, that's mean any trade within this range, we need to be really careful. We consider it as a short term. What I mean by short term, as long as we get into the profit, we have to move our stop loss to break even. That's why buying from here without the trade setup is not a really good idea. It's really risky. That's why we prefer to wait, and this one either turn to a flag or deeper correction. Then from there, we will take the next trade. Anyway, at this point, we don't see any trade setup. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. And since we have a divergence, whoever get the trade for buy from here right now, they should move their stop loss to break even if they want to keep the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.